Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to group and ungroup elements in Canva. This is super useful when you're working with multiple design elements and want to move or edit them together as one unit. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Canva design where you have the elements you'd like to work with. Once your design is loaded and ready, you'll need to select the elements you want to combine into a group. There are two ways to do this. You can click and drag your cursor over the elements to select them all at once, or if you prefer more precision, you can hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click each element individually. This gives you complete control over exactly which items you want to include in your group. After you've selected all the elements you want to group together, you'll notice a floating toolbar appears near your selection. This toolbar contains several options for working with your selected items. Look for the button that says Group and click on it. Once you click this, all your selected elements will be combined into a single grouped object. This means you can now move, resize, or apply changes to all these elements at the same time, which is incredibly helpful when you're trying to maintain the positioning and proportions of multiple items in your design. It saves you from having to adjust each element separately every time you make a change. Now, if you ever need to ungroup these elements to edit them individually again, the process is just as straightforward. Simply click on the grouped object to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the selection handles around the entire group. Once again, you'll see that floating toolbar appear. This time, look for the button that says Ungroup and click on it. After clicking Ungroup, all the elements will be separated back into individual objects that you can move and edit independently. This is perfect for when you need to make adjustments to just one part of your design without affecting the rest. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to efficiently group and ungroup elements in Canva, which will help you work faster and keep your designs organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.